Hi Bumblebees! So this week we've been learning all about our Earth and how we can help keep it clean and a safe place to live. So our Earth is our planet, and it's the planet that we live on. And tomorrow we're celebrating a holiday called Earth Day. So if you remember yesterday, we sent out some pictures for you to look at with your families. And this was one of the pictures that we showed you. So how does the Earth look in these pictures? Does the Earth look happy here, or does it look sad? Let's take another look. I think it looks a little bit sad. It's sad because there's pollution. Can everyone say pollution? So pollution is what happens when we make our Earth dirty, and then Earth gets pretty sick. So I'm going to show you what happens when we have water pollution. So pollution can happen in our sky. It can happen on the ground, but it can also happen in our oceans. So our oceans are the blue parts that you see on our globe. And who lives in the ocean? Do people live in the ocean? No, fish live in the ocean, you're right. But we do use our water because that's what we drink. So let's take a look at this water here. This is fresh water. It's nice and clean. So would you drink this water? Give me a thumbs up if you would, or a thumbs down if you wouldn't. You would, because it's nice and clean. But if people don't put their trash or their garbage where it belongs, that's what causes pollution, and it gets into our oceans. So if I finish drinking this water bottle, where should I put it? In a garbage can or a recycling bin, which we'll talk about a little bit later. But if somebody litters, does anybody know what it means if you litter? When you litter, it means you throw your trash on the ground. Is that where it belongs? No. And when you litter, sometimes it ends up in our oceans. So raise your hand if you like to go to the beach. I know I love to go to the beach in the summer. But if you have water or drinks or food at the beach, where should it go? Do you just leave it in the sand when you leave? No, but sometimes people do that and they litter at the beach. And then when the wind blows, their water bottles, their wrappers, it all ends up in our ocean, and that's how pollution happens. So if I put my water bottle into my water here, it's floating. Does it still look a little bit clean? Yeah, the water's clean, but there's a water bottle floating in it. Do you want to drink water that has a water bottle in it? No. So with a water bottle, it means a little bit of dirt's going to end up in our water. So I just put a little bit of dirt in there. And then what's this? It's a soda can. Do you see people drinking soda at the beach? Yeah, so do you think soda cans might end up in our ocean? I have another can in there. So one more can means more dirt. And what's this? This is cardboard. So sometimes you might have snacks in a cardboard container or a plastic container. And sometimes packages come in cardboard too. And this all ends up in our oceans. So look, here's my cardboard, and that's more garbage, which means more dirt. So now let's take a look. Would you want to drink this water? I wouldn't. Do you think that the fish would want to swim in this water? No. So when the water looks like this, do you think our Earth is happy, or do you think our Earth is sad? I think our Earth is sad, because this is what makes our Earth sick, and it's what makes all the fish sick. Yeah, so how can we prevent this? How can we stop this from happening? If you have your water bottle, where should you put it? Should you throw it on the ground? Should you litter? No, what could we do with our water bottle? We could recycle it. So I'm going to show you our recycling symbol. Can everybody say recycle? So when you see this on a bottle or a container, you'll see it on the bottom of your water bottles. That means you can recycle it. And when you recycle something, that means you can take it and make it something brand new. So that means you can melt down the plastic of a water bottle and turn that plastic into something else instead of throwing it away and making extra garbage on our planet. So we can recycle plastic. We can recycle aluminum or tin, which is what our soda cans are made of. And we can also recycle cardboard, which is what a lot of our boxes and containers are made out of. So when you recycle something, you can sort them. What does it mean to sort? We all know what sorting is. So if we sort it by plastic and by aluminum and by cardboard, do we put it all in the same bin? No, you put them in their own bin so you can separate different recyclables. Can everyone say recyclables? Good job. So this is how we can help prevent pollution from happening. We put our trash in the garbage, we don't litter, and we can recycle items. So that means we can take old things and turn them into new things. So that's one of our 3 R's. Can everyone say recycle? Awesome, and tomorrow we're going to talk more about the other 2 R's. Okay, I hope you liked this video, and we're going to read a very good story later on. I hope you enjoy it.